Yo, hey guys, so in this video we're gonna talk about the gobos. So the gobos is like a light technique and it happen in real life. So we can try achieve this in Blender. So the first method, just buy the add-on and enjoy it. And first method here, just make it with your own. So we're gonna go here and go to render, switch from Eevee to cycles and go with GPU. And here max like 10 FPS or 10 samples, sorry. So next we're gonna go switch to render. And then I'm gonna delete this light, so no lights now. And we're gonna go to off-world and turn it off, like 0. And now we don't see anything. So at first I think I'll go Shift A and go to light and add spotlight. Something very slow like this. And this our light. So the next I think we're gonna go to shading and go here with use nodes while you select this spot or this light. And we're gonna go find some silhouette shot or something like this, black and white, or something like this with the black and white, and have some details, maybe trees, maybe anything, just like this. So I'm gonna just drag and drop in Blender and connect color to the base color here, or color to the emission color. And when we switch to render, boom, we have the gobos. So next I think we're gonna go here and try to tweak it a little, but we barely don't see anything. So now we're gonna control our light from this menu here, from data lighting or this light. We can boost this power here until we satisfy, but as you see it's too much sharp, so we can make it blurry with this radius here. So I'm gonna holding shift and just move it, like I have some of this blurry. If you watch this, but the angle, we need to play around with this angle. So we can just make like this, or we can boost this emission power and some emission here to make it looks like this, and control our radius until you be satisfied with it. But what if you want to zoom in or want more details? So you're gonna use this angle here and push it like this, or you can go at Ctrl T with image texture and control it from here, maybe until you be satisfied, but I'm not support this. I think control it with here is the best, but you can use this too. So now you have the same effect with totally free. Just you find some picture and just build this simple node without anything. I think I'm gonna use a simple point here. And maybe boost the light too much. And I'm gonna try to block it with something. So if I block the light like this and then go here, just Ctrl R and add some loop cuts and then delete this, you're gonna see I have the same effect or effect close to this, but I don't know how to achieve this blurry here. Maybe with radius again, but this depends on shape. So if I want to spawn like, I don't know, maybe a tree, something like this, and I can go here and add some trees and scale it back. Like this to achieve this shadows here, or this gobos, but it's too hard and needs light to be too much away from your item, like this. So it's gonna give you the same effect here, but I think, I don't know really. Maybe sometimes you need to work with this style, or sometimes you need to work with simple texture. I don't know, but this was the gobos and how it worked, I think, for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have fun.